Nagel Multinak S heavy duty pad stapler. At the moment the table's in the pad configuration, but can be dropped down to saddle staple simply by removing the two back stops, and the table will drop down. Very easy setup. Slide the pad into the back and side stop, which are all adjustable. Foot pedal activated. Gives a nice professional finish. No bruising. Flat clench finish on the back. Takes the 50 stroke gauge staples. These will go up to a 17mm thick pad. They're adjustable left and right, and the height is very easily adjustable, so swapping between jobs is nice and quick.